Hi, in this video we're going to go over creating a user profile in Dragon Veterinary. So the first thing you're going to want to do is have Dragon open and running. Next we're going to go on the Dragon bar here to Profile and New User Profile. Now if you are installing and opening Dragon for the very first time, it will immediately prompt you to create a new profile and will come up right to this screen. However, if you are creating a second profile within Dragon, you'll need to manually create it by doing those steps just showed there. So now that we're through here, we'll click Next and we need to name our profile. Next step is to select your age and then your region here. You'll want to choose it for words and everything, and then once you've done that, you'll want to go down all the way to the bottom and select Veterinary. If you have not yet worked with one of our technicians to do your Dragon Veterinary vocabulary installation, vascular surgery is going to be the last option you get. You'll need to call in to us at 1-877-422-2479, extension 2, to schedule a time with one of our technicians. Once that has been done and we have veterinary here, we'll click Next. You'll want to choose your accent that you feel most represents you. Click Next here, and then you will choose your input device. So I'm using a power mic. That's the recommended microphone to use with Dragon. So when we click Next, we want to make sure that everything is correct, and we create it. Now once our profile has been created, we have to do a few brief readings to Dragon. One of them is our sound check, and one of them is the sound quality check. These just quickly help Dragon associate with your voice and your microphone. So I'm going to go ahead and do them now. So volume check. While you are reading this, the computer will adjust your microphone volume settings and then beep to signal that the process is complete. So once it beeps, you're finished. You may have to read a little bit longer. You may not have to read that much. The important thing is to keep reading until it beeps. Next we have our quality check. For Dragon to recognize your voice accurately, it needs to check the quality of your audio system and your microphone. Speak into the microphone as clearly and naturally as you did in the previous step. While reading this, Dragon is listening to you and examining the quality of your audio. Once Dragon, so there's the beep again, so we're good to move on. So now it's created it. It's just going to ask us a few quick questions and then we're able to start using Dragon right away. So in here you have the improve your accuracy. So what this will do is it will automatically by default run weekly acoustic models. I recommend you keep that box checked. Then here you have confidential data you can send to Nuance. If you feel comfortable you can put run data collection. If not, you don't need to. Click Next, and then once we click Finish, we are good to go. So now Dragon will give you a tip every time it starts, and you're ready to use Dragon.